WheelsTV, in collaboration with the New England Motor Press Association, is pleased to present the 2023 WheelsTV POV of the Year Award to the 2020-2021 Genesis G90 Luxury Sedan. This is the second platinum wheel for the G90, having won the accolade in 2021 for the previous generation G90. The Genesis G90 challenges traditional luxury automakers, elevating the standard of luxury sedans with its exquisite cutting-edge design, numerous standard safety features, and unparalleled performance from a standard twin-turbocharged V6 or an available 420 horsepower 5-liter V8. The POV of the Year accolade is bestowed upon a pre-owned vehicle that has been in service for at least 2 years and that demonstrates exceptional long-term reliability and consumer satisfaction. Synonymous with luxury and innovation, the 2020-2021 Genesis G90 Luxury Sedan embodies these criteria effortlessly and continues to showcase the dependability that defines the Genesis brand, earning accolades for its excellence as well as its value. For these compelling reasons, WheelsTV and the New England Motor Press Association proudly present the 2023 WheelsTV POV of the Year Award to the 2020-2021 Genesis G90 Luxury Sedan.